Look, he been blowing me up for 30 minutes. Shit, I let him wait. I ain't tryna hear shit, nigga. In a depression state. The plug loved me, gave me 7 days, moved 10 a day. When you see the money coming in and you set the stakes, the hardest part about that is learning how to step away. They know me in different countries, in several states. With Chuck Best things, cried at his sentence date. Nothing changed on my end, the price. My nigga said 40 years, felt like he gotta die twice. Look, you gotta learn how to move when it's danger, fueled by the anger. My man crossed me, I do him like a stranger. Growing up, we ain't see shit, that's what we taught to say. Every day get easier when you learn to walk by faith. I don't know what's harder to see, when you walked away or me cutting off my man. That shit hard to say. Versace me down all the way to the socks. Came for the guap, no shorts when I aim for the top. My homie got 20, his bitch lay with his ops. His friends took his plug, no commissary, that says a lot. His oldest son quit school, and now he got a savage mind. Looking in the mirror thinking he cool when he grabbed a 9. His daughter fucking at 15, and the sad part about this is my homie ain't even served half his time.